National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kenton County, eastern Gallatin County, north central Pendleton County, Campbell County, southern Boone County, southeastern Hamilton County, in southwestern Ohio, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Union, moving east at 30 miles an hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 3-inch hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts.
Wow.
Source, radar indicated. Large hail has been reported by law enforcement earlier from the storm. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Edgewood, Alexandria, Ellesmere, Fort Mitchell, Highland Heights, Taylor Mill, Fort Wright, Southgate, Walton, Crestview Hills, Lakeside Park, Forestville, Oak Brook, and Claryville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 69 and 77. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 168 and 184. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The tornado warning for Kenton, eastern Gallatin, and southern Boone counties will expire